Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Coupert app. Saving money online always sounds great until you realize half the coupon codes online expired sometime around the dinosaur era, which is why I started using Coupert instead. To get started, just open your browser and search for Coupert, then install the extension through your browser's add-on store like Chrome Web Store or Edge add-ons depending on what you use. After pressing Get or Add Extension, the extension should appear in the top right corner of your browser. Assign into mine right away so I could track cashback rewards and savings, mostly because watching the money saved number go up feels really satisfying. And once installed, you can pretty much shop normally on supported websites, and Coupert will automatically pop up with available coupon codes or cashback offers during checkout. You just copy the suggested code and paste it into the promo code section while buying something. It also compares prices on some products, which honestly saved me from overpaying for headphones. I absolutely did not need, but definitely convinced myself I did. Another nice thing is that some stores give cashback rewards automatically after you purchase, so it feels like your wallet gets a tiny apology after online shopping damage. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.